Hello friends! Last week I took a break from making photo albums and decided to try something new. I received a package with art supplies from Artisa and used them to decorate old tin cans. In today's video I will show you how to make beautiful home decoration by reusing cans and old cups. Next upload will be about the photo album I'm currently working on. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss it. First, let me show you the supplies from Artisa that were inside the package I received. I have two different sets of liquid chalk markers that I already showed you in my previous video. Each set of markers comes with replaceable marker tips, tweezers, 50 labels and sticky stencils. Markers are perfect for glass, metal and plastic surfaces, but I've also been using them on paper. With them you can draw decorative borders on paper or add notes to your albums. What's great about them is that in comparison to some other markers, these are odor-free and water-based. You will see me using them for my scrapbook projects. Next item is set of metallic acrylic paint. It can be used on different surfaces such as glass, stones or canvas. I will be using them on metal. You can really add something extra to your projects, and the fact that the paints are metallic works perfect with tin cans. Each tube of paint has information about the pigment and transparency level. They are also perfect to use with the wood slices that I've also received from Artisa. You can create beautiful art projects by writing and painting on them. Because I can't draw, I decided to use them in combination with tin cans. They are made from natural pine wood that is sanded and have smooth surface, which can also be used to stick inspirational quotes, as you can see me doing it. I would like to thank Artisa for sending me their amazing products. Their website and supplies from today's video will be linked in the description below. They also provided me with a discount code which you can use at checkout on their website. That's all about the supplies. Now let's grab our old tin cans and start transforming them. First, take your can and apply 1 or 2 layers of primer. I'm using acrylic gesso. This way the acrylic paint we'll be applying later will have a better coverage. It's better to apply product in thin layers and do more of them than to apply it in one really thick layer. Also make sure that you let the paint dry before applying the second layer. I'm using masking tape to separate two different paint colors. Even though you don't need to include this step in your project, the borders between two colors will look better when using a tape. After sticking a tape to the tin can, make sure that the edges are really glued to the surface and there is no air between metal and masking tape. applied 2 layers of pink and mint paint. Now I'm marking the borders from the silver line that I will paint between the 2 colors to connect them. When the metallic paint dries, remove the masking tape. First tin can is now finished. You can use it as a storage or add soil as I did and plant the adorable succulents. that would be all for today's video. I hope I inspired you to try something new and transform old cans into beautiful plant pots. Don't forget to subscribe with those notifications on, and I will see you in my next video.